The best halal food in town is now open. The Manggubat Chicken Food House. Sila nag-serve og mga short orders sama sa lumpia Shanghai, chop suey, lumi, pansit canton, sutanghon gisado, pakan canton gisado, sutanghon soup, bami gisado og bihon gisado. Aduna pud sila'y sizzling og Marias inasal with only drinks og Marias fried chicken with only rice for 110 pesos only. Og ano na usay kinilaw. Wow! Ang sabaw, tilawi ang bulalo nga siguradong maka-ah ug ka sa kalami ug aduna po'y tinulang nga bisayang manok, tinulang lapu-lapu ug beef pares. They also offers all kinds of fruit shakes ug sila open 24 oras para sa exclusive burger house. So come and dine at Manggubat Chicken Food House. For orders, please contact 0953-7320-713 and 0952-5131-240. They also accept catering services. Manggubat Chicken Food House, the first in healthness lechon manok, located at corner Maradugao Street, Wao Road, North Poblacion, Maramag, Bukidnon. Located at corner Maradugao Street, Wao Road, North Poblacion, Maramag, Bukidnon. Manggubat Chicken Food House.